Hi guys, this is Sayanti and you are welcome to Big Basket Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how when you're going for an interview or a board meeting or even to your office, you can wear that little bit of makeup which will add a lot of boost to your confidence. So watch out. To begin with, I have a little bit of foundation on my face. If you have issues of dark circles or any concerns around your eyes or any kind of pigmentation, you should apply a concealer. And taking a close-up mirror, use your fingers to blend it in. Now a hint of color as blush on really adds that flush to your cheeks, so go for it. I'm going to take a brush and take this neutralish color and I'm going to add it to the apples of the cheek. Making a fish face like this helps, and you should brush it out outwards and upwards. As far as the eye makeup is concerned, I will suggest you add a neutral color to your eyelids. So I have taken something which is not very shimmery, but it's a whitish tone. If you're finding it a little more shimmery, you can go for a matte base. I personally like this, and I'm going to touch it up on the bridge of the nose, on the chin and on Cupid's bow. Also on the C-section of the cheekbones. This helps to add that natural glow to your face. And if you want, you can try a little bit of cutting powder, which is like a brownish shade, on your jawline. To set this look, you need to use a little bit of powder. So I have a powder brush and I'm going to take this compact and I'm going to put it all over my face. Now as far as the eye makeup is concerned, I want to groom my eyebrows first and then proceed with the eyeliner. So I have an angular brush and taking a brown color, I'm going to define the eyebrows. Outlinings for eyeliner, go for a black color only or maybe even a dark shade of blue, because when it's corporate, you want to look sharp. So after applying eyeliner, just make sure that the wings are balanced on both sides. If you do not want to make it look very dramatic, then you can go without the winged outliner. I personally like it this way because it's very classy and you can definitely wear it to work. Now I want to brush out my lashes with loads of mascara. Now you want to finish the look and balance it out with a lip color. Again, you can choose a color which is more neutral, so do not wear red because that can be a little overpowering. I personally don't like to go all black in terms of outfits, so that's why if I'm wearing something as colorful as this but it's a solid monochrome, I would want to match it up with something maybe in the shade of pink. So I will choose something which is a little neutralish pink, so a hint of brown also helps. So this is pink and brown together. So this is the neutral shade. So this was the look that I have put together for my meeting or interviews or wherever I want to go on a more formal note. You can definitely try out this look and let me know in the comments below what compliments you got and what boost of confidence you got from it. Also, if you like such videos, do subscribe to the channel of Big Basket Lifestyle, because we are going to come to you with more such videos, and there are loads of beauty products to choose from bigbasket.com. So do watch out for them.